Sure. Here are the top 5 countries to consider for traveling in Southeast Asia. 1. Thailand. Thailand is known for its beautiful beaches, bustling cities, rich culture, and mouth-watering cuisine. From the temples of Bangkok to the tropical islands of Phuket and Krabi, there is plenty to see and do in Thailand. 2. Vietnam. Vietnam is a unique blend of colonial and traditional architecture, natural beauty, and rich history. From the charming city of Hoi An to the vibrant Hanoi, the stunning Halong Bay to the peaceful countryside, Vietnam will leave a lasting impression. 3. Cambodia. Cambodia is a country of ancient temples, beautiful landscapes, and a deep cultural heritage. The iconic Angkor Wat is a must-see, but Cambodia also offers pristine beaches, stunning islands, and bustling cities. 4. Indonesia. Indonesia boasts a diverse range of landscapes, from the stunning beaches of Bali to the lush jungles of Sumatra and the volcanic islands of Java. There is also a rich cultural heritage, amazing food, and friendly locals to explore. 5. Malaysia. Malaysia offers everything from modern cities to stunning beaches, lush jungles to colonial architecture. The food is diverse and delicious, with influences from the Malay, Chinese, and Indian cultures. These are just a few of the many amazing destinations in Southeast Asia. Ultimately, the choice of which countries to visit will depend on your personal interests and travel goals.